Welcome back. So if you find the debit and credit rule difficult to remember, so don't be worried, I'll be teaching you another way to understand and remember all these rules. So let's start by recalling the accounting equation. And we know that assets are always is equal to liability plus owner's capital. And we know that profit always belong to the owners of the capital. So if you won't mind, I'll be write the accounting equation this way: assets is equal liability plus owner's capital plus profit. And we know that profit is calculated by deducting all the expenses from income. So the accounting equation will now become, if we expand the profit, will now become assets is equal liability plus owner's capital plus income minus expenses. Now if we move the expenses towards assets, the minus sign of the expenses will now become positive, and the accounting equation will now be assets plus expenses is equal liability plus owner's capital plus income. So the debit and credit rule for this equation will now be all the increases in assets and expenses are recorded on the debit side, but they are credited on the liability, owner's capital and income side, and all the decreases in asset and expenses are recorded on the credit side, but they are debit in liability, owner's capital and income.